Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name's Nick. I'm a master plumber based out of East Tennessee, 25 plus years experience. I had someone ask the other day about trimming cast iron specifically under a toilet flange without a specific side grinder, reciprocating saw blade that's made for it, or a cutting tool, which you won't have room for in this case. Yes, it is possible. No, it is not advisable. I'll leave that as the caveat. What you'll need for this is, first, eye protection. Cast iron is very brittle, it can fragment, and nobody likes to end up being a pirate for the rest of their life for Halloween. Secondly, you'll need a crescent wrench, larger typically, and possibly a hammer. If you've got thick gloves on, you may be able to do this by hand. So what you'll do to start, make sure everything's clean out of the way, take the jaws of your crescent wrench, fit them down as tightly as you can on both sides of the wall of the pipe, and you're going to give it a smack on the handle, and you're going to want to break away from the center of the pipe. So video here, I'll demonstrate. Now the tip of the jaws are typically where the pipe's going to break. It can break further back from that, so just be careful that you don't take too much. You can always come back and trim a little bit more, and this can work with larger pieces or smaller ones. You'll work your way around, taking little bitty bites out of this pipe. And you can turn the wrench either way. And as you work, you may need to tighten it back up. If there's too loose of a grip, your wrench will slip off. You go all the way around. Basically what you're after is to have the top of this pipe flush or just below the surface of the floor, so you can get your repair flange, which will fit typically inside the cast iron and sealed with a gasket, fitted back down, and then anchored back to the floor. As you get closer, you can start taking smaller and smaller pieces, and eventually you've got it fixed. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments.